And what we're going to talk about today is Limelight Orchestrate. This is a fantastic new service that we're providing, and really what it is it's a combination of things. So traditionally, Limelight has been known as a CDN, but we're trying to move past that. We're trying to provide more solutions targeted at vertical industries and really solving customer workflow challenges. So Orchestrate is built on top of the Limelight network. It features a flexible application platform that hosts a lot of great SaaS services. It includes that wonderful CDN delivery, it has some marketing automation in it, and of course it's all wrapped up in our global services. So this is kind of what Orchestrate looks like from a company perspective. And this is how Limelight is now coming out into the market, and we're here at SME to really sort of introduce this concept for us. But it's all about enabling customers to solve critical challenges with a combination of services. Again, building on our network, leveraging our delivery of CDN, and then offering these value-added SaaS services that help solve these complex workflow challenges. So just to kind of give you an example of what this might be, in today's market, you might have lots of different pieces of the puzzle from lots of different vendors. So you might have video delivered from somewhere, cloud storage from somewhere else, CDN from another vendor. With Orchestrate, the idea is that we're bringing these things together in a single line, in a single seamless solution to solve the complex challenges today with publishing content, whether it's web content or video content, to a global audience. So when you think about it now, customers can come and they can come to a single solutions provider like Limelight, Orchestrate, and get an entire cloud-based workflow solution that solves all of their content publishing needs. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to turn it over to Mike, and Mike's going to give you a demonstration of some of those SaaS-based services in the CDN to show you what a customer might use in Orchestrate with Limelight to help solve some of their workflow publishing challenges.
So what I'm going to show you is a publishing workflow of a video publishing onto a website. So it's a blog site that you set up. But you can imagine this could be a corporate website, multi-divisional, could be a number of different websites. And Orchestrate allows a single repository to handle the storage and delivery of those contents. But the workflow actually is optimized for the role of the user who's going to be using this. So we're going to be looking, we'll be seeing two different products of Limelight's, our dynamic site platform and our Limelight video platform. Underneath that is Limelight storage and delivery capabilities, but as JT mentioned, we also have integration with our acceleration technologies, other marketing optimization, etc. So this is the Limelight dynamic site platform UI, and from here, I'm not going to go through all of the details of each of these products because we have a limited amount of time. This is the web content management and web publishing SaaS offering that we have. And I can go into my content view and create a new type of content. In this case, I'm going to create video content. And I'm going to create a new one. And we've got a simple UI here. So I'm just going to click SME. So right now I'm uploading this video. Take a little bit with the Wi-Fi here, and through Orchestrate, this is coordinated on the back. This is coordinated on the back end with our Limelight video platform. So the video is being sent to the Limelight video platform for processing and then delivery to the website. I have some basic metadata here. I can go ahead and change the video title if I wanted to. Some of the metadata is actually going to come from the video platform itself. So there's some specific duration, media type, etc. is going to be coming from the Limelight video platform. So I can put in some green energy block. I can put in here, add some other metadata. Let's go ahead and save this video. This is part of the workflow process. So if this were a typical corporate site, I might put this into a staging or a preview environment. I may need to go to my manager for approval before it goes to the website itself. I'm just going to go ahead and change this automatically to the ready state. So you can schedule in some workflow issues here. So once I'm in there now, I can do a number of other things too. So I can target it to different places on my website. So again, a central repository can repurpose assets for multiple pages. So I'm going to use this on my mobile site as well as on my video blog and video library pages. So 3 different uses of the same video asset. If I wanted to here, I could also schedule this. So maybe I want this to go live on Monday morning. I can have some advanced scheduling. Maybe it expires after a certain amount of time. I have some advanced scheduling capabilities. In this case, I'll just bypass those. Go ahead and save that. I can categorize this as well. These categories actually were created in the Limelight video platform. So I'm pulling data through Orchestrate from the video platform and assigning these categories, which the web content management tool is using for decisions on which pages to place it in on the website itself. I can apply that. And then I can organize this into channels within the Limelight video platform directly from this UI. So these are channels I've created on the Limelight video platform. I can go ahead and just create a video blog channel and assign that. So I've gone ahead and done all of that. I'm going to switch over now and show you what this looks like from the Limelight video platform perspective. Although as a web publisher, I don't even need to change the UI. But just to show you, this is another application of Limelight's. Let me go here to update this.
The integration that we've done from the Orchestrate perspective is we've taken this traditional video platform interface and we've combined it with our web content management system. So you have that seamless integration. The content shouldn't be looked at as web content, video content, or mobile content. It's just content. And the idea is we want to be able to manage the publication of that for various targeting uses and for specific applications, all for the service.
So here's the video that we created. It's already been processed and is ready for delivery. So I got my thumbnail and some other advanced tools in here. You saw on the Dynamic Site platform, I assigned it to a channel called the Video Blog Channel. And you can see right here, it appears on the Video Blog Channel list itself. So from the Dynamic Site platform, due to the metadata and tagging and targeting that I've done, this is what I would get on my website. So I can click over into the library page, and I can see right here, because I defined it as an announcement, it's in the announcement section on this web page. I can click on that and watch the video in my player here.
What's really cool about this is that page was made with the content management system. The video in it was managed with the Limelight video platform that was integrated with the content management system. So now, the marketer enterprise gets a hold of this tool, the Orchestrate solution, and just manage all of the content publishing from that system.
When I come back to my home page, I'm using the same video now in the channel that I had assigned it to, which is targeted to my home page. Nice the caching issues on the home page. I also have the mobile site, which if you pull up the same videoblog.clickabilitydemo.com on a mobile site, you'll automatically be redirected to an M.dot site. And that M.dot site is going to show you, rather than the flash players that we see here, H.264 representation of the videos in this playlist. So we basically, in the single workflow that I created in here, uploaded a video, assigned some metadata, targeted it. I've got a central repository. All the processing was handled by the Limelight video platform. Metadata sync between the two, courtesy of Orchestrate, and the ability to then determine when and where that content is going to be displayed, all within one seamless UI.
Think about all the stuff behind the scenes that happens when you publish content. All the metadata, all the transcoding, all the clipping, all that stuff that you have to spend time and energy and software and capital expenses to manage. You don't have to do that. Orchestrate handles all of that on the back end. And the really great thing is that website right there, that's all delivered out via the Limelight CDN. Right? So we put that just as one of the pieces in Orchestrate. We don't want our customers to think about CDN anymore. We want to think about content publishing. That's important. You just have to take delivery on that much. We can get it everywhere. Right? Really big network, spread all over the place, lots of service, lots of edge. We've got that covered. The really cool thing now is we can focus on what's important. All of that content publishing. That was a fantastic demo. That kind of stuff makes me excited. Sorry. question was around how are we pricing that with respect to CDN? Is it a lot like Amazon Web Services where that delivery component is baked into the pricing of Orchestrate? And the answer is yes, right? We're trying to build a solution price that includes all of the components so that you don't have to worry about individual pricing, right? You can come to us and you can talk and say, I want Orchestrate. We can say, all right, tell us about your business. Tell us about how much you're going to deliver, where you're going to go, and what you're going to do, and we will build a pricing for you that's based on your usage of the services. So you don't feel like you're spending more than you actually need to, and you're not getting things that you really, you're not getting things that you really think you need. So again, it's all about tailoring the solution to your vertical industry. Yeah, so the question was, is it easy to integrate DRM? Two answers to that question. So the first one is that we are going to be actively integrating a cross-platform DRM solution later in the year. So we'll offer, we already offer Flash Access as part of Orchestrate, but we'll offer Silverlight and PlayReady. We'll also probably offer Marlin as well as an HLS DRM to be named. But in terms of integration, yes. So Orchestrate is built on a lot of SaaS services that are API-based. So if you have a DRM solution such as MyDRM or EasyDRM, we can easily integrate that into the workflow. Correct. Yep. We'll have a lot of DRM by the end of the year. All right, fantastic. Well, again, thank you very much for coming to the demo. We really appreciate your time.